Do you want to create prototypes and custom end-use parts for your machines? Contact Createproto Rapid System Limited, a CNC machining and metal fabrication service provider. They have proficient engineers offering high-quality Aluminium CNC milling service. Being specialized in manufacturing precision machined parts, they produce customized solutions. Get exclusive tailor-made engineering and manufacturing solutions. Also, CNC machining, 3D printing, rapid and production tooling and low-volume manufacturing. Upload a 2D or 3D drawing and obtain real-time pricing with a design for manufacturability analysis. Visit www.createproto.com to discuss your requirements and start your project.